Hello everybody, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'll show how to recover Instagram deleted calls history. If you want to recover your Instagram audio and video calls history, so let's see how to do that. I'll show some steps. You can follow all steps, so don't skip this video, watch full video and please subscribe this channel. So first of all, go to your Instagram and log in your Instagram account. And then you can see my Instagram all messages or chats in this here, and then open any messages, and in this here you can see me and my friends all Instagram calls, and in this time I can delete these Instagram calls, but I can easily recover or register all deleted Instagram calls. So let's see. So first of all I can delete, so tap on please and then delete. Here you can see I can delete my Instagram calls history, but I can easily recover or register all deleted Instagram call history. So let's see. Minimize it and go to your Google Play Store. See Google Play Store, open it and then write deleted messages recovery. And then scroll down and in this area you can see recover deleted message. So open this app, please install this app and then open it, and in this area you can see my all deleted Instagram audio and video calls history recover or register in this here, and then open it. Here you can see Instagram audio and video calls history in this here, and in this way you can easily recover or register your all deleted Instagram calls history, or recover and register your all deleted Instagram audio and video calls history. So thank you very much and please subscribe this channel.